this is my first video. How cool is that? Anyway, so I'm going to be reintroducing myself in this video. I know you'll already know me on Instagram, but I'm going to still reintroduce myself. So I am Shanice. I am 27 years old and not 28, because I always say I'm 28, but I'm not 28, I'm 27. And I have a full time job. I work in the accounts team where I handle commissions and incentives of the staff in our company. So that's my job. And I do content creation as well. So, how did I start content creation? So, I'll give you all an entire story of how it all started. So, when I when I joined Instagram, I just had 90 followers, and it was a private account. So I never allowed any random person to come into my, like, not random, I mean someone who I don't know, a better word for random, someone who I don't know. I never allowed into my account. So it was only the people who I knew. And when I started dating Craig, he motivated me a lot and said, "You should start. You are so good with your videos. You look so nice. You should, start your, you should start content creation." And he really, really pushed me to do this. And that's when I was so scared before, making it public. I was like, no, I don't want to be trolled. I don't want anyone troubling me. I'm so scared how people are going to react and stuff. I'm not ready for it. And he said, no, you can do it. Go for it. Don't be scared. So I made my account public. And that's when that time I just had, like, say 2-3 thousand followers. And I was just posting my regular pictures. I was just making my normal reels, not like I was doing any get ready with me, nothing, just normal reels with POVs, that's all. So so a funny this was a funny not a funny incident, but I was really surprised when I got viral with that video. So I had my shift timing was from 7 in the morning to 3 in the afternoon. So when I came home after work, I just thought, I'll take a nap. And I took a nap that day. And I woke up at 5, and the sun, like, was really, like, shining really nice on my face. So I was like, okay, let's just make a random video. I found this random song. I I took my phone, and I just, like, did like a slow-mo video, and I just posted it. I was like, yeah, it's just nothing. It's just I'm just doing it for fun. And that video hit 1 million likes. Okay, if y'all haven't seen it, here is the video. I've put you'll see this in my profile. Anyway, so that hit 1 million likes, and I got like 50K followers in 2 days. I was so shocked. I couldn't even believe it. I was like, no, you're kidding. This is not happening with me. And Greg is like, dude, you have got 50K followers. What are you saying? It's a huge thing. And I was like, my God, this is crazy. So from that day, I started doing skincare, get ready with me, Sheen hauls and stuff. I just started doing it. And that's how I got into content creation. I do have a lot of ups and downs in my content creation. It's not always like, oh wow, I'm doing amazing. Sometimes, like, there was a time where I got too boring. Like, I was just putting the same thing, like same get ready with me, same makeup, same skincare. So I thought, like, that kind of got boring. And I felt really down, because I was like, no, I'm not getting that likes, I'm not getting that views, my followers are not increasing. So my confidence went down, and I was like, I'm not doing that great. There are so many influencers out there who are doing better than me. They are better in editing, they have better lighting, they have better space. So in Dubai, I never had a good space. First, it was very tiny, so it was very difficult to create my get ready with me reels. And the lighting, there was no sunlight, nothing. I used to use a ring light that time. And obviously, to make my face look like I'm Snow White. So yeah, it was really difficult to shoot that time because there was no space, no light, nothing. So I used to feel really down because I thought like I couldn't give that aesthetic vibe or make my videos feel really crisp and stuff. I'm still learning to edit. It's not like now my videos are crisp, but it's much better than what I used to post before. So I'm really proud of that I've come a long way. And yeah, my videos were not that great that time, but slowly I am trying my best and doing what I can. um there's one thing about me is that even right now I feel like my confidence went down a little bit, because I've been only posting like brand reels, like where I'm using different sunscreens, using different moisturizers. And obviously, for like when I'm doing it, I know that everyone looking at my videos will be like, she's doing the same thing again and again, same sunscreen, same moisturizer. I mean, different moisturizer, different sunscreens. So it's just like an ad, but y'all don't know the story behind shooting, scripting. Yeah, I know it's a script, it's an ad, but I use that product on my face before I share it with y'all, because I don't want to make y'all go through something like that I never intend y'all to go through. Like, I apply something and there's a big rash on my face, and it happens with y'all. So I don't want that to happen, so I always test it on my skin. I use it for like 2 3 days, and then on the fourth day I shoot it and I put it up. So I've been doing that for quite some time now, but I feel like my confidence has gone down in making reels, because I feel like there are so many people making reels and making better than me. And I'm not able to do that reel. And it's not like I'm lazy or something, but I am trying my best. But when you have a full-time job, you cannot like put in all your effort into both. Into one. Yes, I have my full-time job, I have to put in all my effort, but in my content creation I cannot put all my effort into it because I have a job. But that doesn't give me an excuse to not like learn and not to try to do something different. So at the moment, like, I took a break for like 15 days, I think. Yeah, I went to Pune because I thought like it's been too much on me, and maybe I'm not able to come out as how I imagine in my head. Maybe I'm not able to do that. So I I have my confidence has gone down a bit, and I try making videos, but it's not coming out the way I wanted. I'm not happy with how my hair turned out to be. I know you all say that my hair looks amazing, but I am actually not happy with it, because I don't know, it's not me. Like, I'm not feeling me. So I don't know. I just want to change it, but obviously I don't want to damage my hair, so I can't keep coloring it. So I'll have to go with how it looks. But yeah, maybe these are all the things that pop up in our head, and we don't talk about it frequently. Um, so I've decided to make this YouTube video where I can talk about the things that I'm actually not able to, speak out. Or maybe some girl is going to relate to me when I say these things, because we all we all have self we all have our days where we are not confident about ourselves. So this is something I thought would like help me tell y'all that these things are there, and it's not like y'all are alone. So yeah, so I thought that I'll make this channel about talking to y'all and sharing my experiences with y'all, so y'all know y'all are not alone. And yeah, and that's all that I wanted to talk about. My content creation, my work is going well, so I don't have problems in my work. My work is fine, my company is really good, so no issues there. But when it comes to content creation, I'm a little bit down on confidence and I'm not able to, get myself back to being confident and not worrying about who's doing better than me or who's doing their reels excellent and I'm not doing that kind of reel. It's okay. I think that I've been too much, I'm an overthinker, so I overthink these things. But I think that talking here and sharing it with you all is going to help me come back. And obviously Craig is there, he's always constantly telling me, giving me ideas of what to do, but I'm just not feeling it. And like, I'm not feeling like doing it. I'm a little bit low on confidence, but that's okay. That's my phase. I get over it. It happened with me even when I was in Dubai in the middle, but then I picked up and I was fine again. So these things keep happening in content creation. So that's one. And yeah, that's about me, what I do. Also, I am more of an introvert than an extrovert. Like, if I'm just talking to the camera right now, I can, but if everyone is in front of me, I find it very difficult to converse. I find it very difficult to talk. So like, whenever, like, for example, like, I have, whenever I go to Pune or whenever I'm out and someone recognizes me and they come and talk to me, I'm not able to, react or talk much. I know I might, I know y'all might think I'm being rude or something, but no, I'm not. I'm just not able to, in the starting, I'm not able to talk. It doesn't come out, like, because I'm an introvert. So don't get me wrong, I love all of y'all. Whenever y'all compliment me or find me anywhere, I mean, come to me anywhere, I feel really nice. And I can't tell y'all how blessed and grateful I am. So thank you all. And yeah, that's it all about me. Very simple. I don't do any diet. I mean, everyone asks me, are you dieting? Nothing. I'm just like eating junk food. So I used to diet before. I was really, when I was in class 12. Okay, I'll keep that for my next video. I'm not going to tell it all here. But yeah, just telling y'all, I don't do any diet, but I will do vlogs in like what I do, what I eat, what I buy. I keep buying things every week from Blinkit. It's like Blinkit is my best friend. Okay, so I'm gonna go because I have work now. So see you guys, and do like, share, and subscribe. Bye.